dito sa Adelaide. Ang aga namin nagising mga 6:30. Ginigising na ako ni Jan kasi ang golf lesson ni Sak is 8 o'clock. 7 o'clock na ngayon. So, say good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning. Good morning, Daddy. So, yeah. Punta tayo sa Kuyongka. Holy, tingnan niyo, tulog na tulog. Bumalik sa pagkatulog kasi sobrang aga pa talaga. And yung boys, syempre gising na gising. And andito na kami sa Kuyongka.
We get to use my thingy. Whatever it is. Whatever it is.
Dati wala silang ganyan. Doon kami lagi pumapasok sa exit. Konti pa lang yung tao.
Where's Daniel?
Somewhere there, Kuya.
He's right there.
Front time?
No, because I get too close there.
To what?
Well, they're not going to be here. They're going to be over there.
So we're gonna walk?
Yeah, we only just walk to there and stop. We don't walk far.
Kasi sanay kasi ako dyan lang yung car eh.
I should take that one. No one can hit the door.
May dalawa.
Every Sunday that old fella in the buggy.
The one with the baggy?
Every Sunday.
Yeah, nakita yung lalaki yun na nasa golf cart. Every Sunday daw nandito lagi yan. Mamaya ko nagisingin si Holly. Ayan, si Kuya meron siyang one-on-one golf lesson. Kahapon may lesson siya with the group and then nag-one-on-one din siya. How many minutes this time? The one-on-one golf lesson? Half an hour? How about yesterday? An hour?
That was an hour and a half.
Kahapon 1.5 hour daw yung one-on-one golf lesson ni Kuya. Aside pa dun sa group 1 hour lesson din. Oh, nagising na si Holly. Yes, Baba, we're here. Palit na siya ng shoes. Sobrang lamig. Mag-warm up muna si Kuya. Right, Kuya? Mag-warm up ka, Kuya? Ha? Sobrang lamig sa labas, guys. As in. And dumadami na rin yung tao. And andun pa. Marami pang nagsisidatingan. Kami ni Holly dito na lang muna kayo kasi sobrang lamig. Zach, can you undo her seatbelt, please? Zach? Baba. Ayan si Kuya. Kumuha na siya ng balls. Kumuha na yun ng ano. Kasi mag-warm up muna siya bago siya mag-golf lesson. Then si Sak separate. Si Sak sa group siya eh. Si Kuya one-on-one again. Kasi nag-one-on-one din siya kahapon. And my first competition si Kuya sa August 28. Pero hindi si Jan makakasama kasi start na ng work ni Jan. So baka yung kapatid ni Jan ang mag-drive sa amin. Hindi pa naman. Hindi pa sure kung sino magda-drive. Pero definitely hindi si Jan. Sayang nga yun ang first ano ni Kuya. Pero ganun talaga. Kailangan mag-work para makapag-bayad sa golf lesson nila. Ayan si Kuya, oh. Are you alright, Zaki boy? It's cold, isn't it, Baba? Freezing. Hindi pa siya bumababa. Are you changing your shoes? Huh? Nak?
Yeah.
Oy! Look at your shoelace, Nak!
That's how I do it.
Alright. Ayun na si Kuya. Si Saka. Ready na rin siya. Oh, umuulan, Han. It's raining, Han. Wala. Basa tayo nito. Sana si Kuya? Where's Kuya? Where? Hindi natin makita si Kuya.
Is it too small?
Malit na yung gloves ni Sok.
Yes, sweetie. Undo Holly's thing so she can stand up. Right,
That's-
get over there, Zach, and I'll go.
I told you that, Sok. Undo Holly's seatbelt. Where you going, hon? Where?
Zach, come on. Undo, Zach.
Undo Holly, nak.
You can stay.
You can
Just
stay here,
pop out
nak,
if you want.
with mommy. Ayun ni Holly. Lumabas kasi sobrang lamig nga. Come on here, Baba. We're not gonna go out. Good luck, Zach.
Take your bag over and go over to you.
Hi, Bob. Say good morning to people.
Good morning.
Good morning. It's freezing outside, Baba, right? Ito pa siya, oh. Hawa naman ang baba ko, oy. Are you gonna play golf when you're big, Baba? What's that?
Alright, for daddy.
You're gonna play with Daddy outside. Dito na si Jan. Where did you go, honey?
What you doing?
I eat Kuya Love.
You better not.
Where did you go, hon?
Get him a glove.
A new one?
Yeah.
Oh, do they have there?
I got everything in there.
Oh.
Clothes,
Hindi pa kasi ako,
sticks. Pro shop.
hindi pa kasi ako nakapasok yan. Si Jan, alam ko, bumili na talaga siya ng
That's for
belt
you.
niya, Jan, dati. Tapos ngayon, binila niya si Sak ng gloves kasi nga, ano na.
Mine.
Is that yours daw? Kasi maliit na yung gloves ni,
Little one.
maliit na yung gloves ni Sak. Let me see, Papa. That's Kuya Sak. So, ikaw na ang magmamana.
This is mine.
Okay, it's yours na. Yan, sabi ni Jan, yung mga taga-Adelaide people daw, nakatira raw sa Adelaide, pero late pa rin pumunta dito. Kasi marami pang nagsisidatingan. Yung golf lesson is, 7:30. Anong oras na ba? Oh, mag-aalas 8 na. Tama nga siya. Ayun, marami pang nagsisidatingan. Ayun. Hindi ko alam, makita niya.
Touch, Mom.
Huh?
Touch.
Touch. Baraw kami kasi manood daw kami. Ayan na sila. Oh. Ayan si Kuya na. Si Sam. Ayan si Sam. Ang dami din nila, oh. Kaya kami maglalakad na rin. Umuulan guys. Mayroon akong dala. Dala ko naman yung jacket na puti. Oh, it's raining. Natin sila sa dalawang grupo. Nandito yung magkapatid. Tapos yung ibang grupo nandoon, oh. Lamig. Ayan. Basang si Holly, oh, naulanan na, oh. Ayan na. Ah, they're not gonna bring their golf bag, Han. Okay, see ya. Okay. Come on, Holly. Yeah.
Stand there if you want. but
Yeah, okay. Yeah.
She'll be up in a year or two, Daniel.
Come on. Where are we gonna sit, Han? We can here? Maybe. Yeah, come on. Dito na lang tayo, Holly, kasi umuulan. Dito na lang kami. Let's stand here, Papa. Meron pala ditong ganito. Dito tayo nak sa may maghanap tayong upuan. Kasi yung lamig. Let's go up here, Papa. Ayun yung daddy. So, ganito ang buhay ni Jan every weekend dito sa Adelaide. Si Kuya Saturday, si Sak Sunday. Tingnan lang dito sa side napunta yung dalawa. Buti minsan kasi sabi niyo dyan magkahiwalay yung dalawa. Minsan si Sak dun sa isang grupo doon, no? Nakita nyo doon. Kaya minsan si Jan sabi niya pabalik-balik siya. So ngayon, yung dalawa nasa isang team. And then buti na lang dito sa side na to kasi mayroong upuan tapos may roof tayo, guys. Ayan si Oli. Ang lamig nga lang. Saan kaya sila pupunta? Oh, come on, Baba. She's cold. Come on. Kinakadal ko kasi siya. Come on. Here, Baba. Up. Yeah. It's very cold. Yan, kinakadal ko siya kasi sobrang lamig. Baba, very, very cold. And ayan, nakadobling ano na ako, jacket. Gamit ko ulit yung white. Kasi eto, ano to, panlaban sa hangin at lamig. Right, Baba?
Yes.
Say, opo.
Opo.
Opo. Naririnig niyo yung hangin? Buti hindi pa. Mayroon pang ambon eh. Umaambon pa. Pang tuwa siya kasi binalot ko siya sa aking eto ba? Yung isa kong suot. Ayan. Oh.
That's for mommy.
You're welcome, Baba. O, diba? Sinisip na ako, Holly. Tawag kami ni Jan. Okay, let's go, Baba. Ayun na sila. Oh. Ayun na sila. Sa Kesla pupunta. Where you going, Kuya? Longest drive? Ah. Sana hindi umulan. Longest drive daw to.
Yeah.
Pumasok ulit siya sa aking jacket. Okay, Baba. Where's Holly? Okay. You're still cold. Oh, lamig na naman. Okay. Be quiet, Baba. Ayan, si Sakna. Okay, be quiet, Baba. Be quiet. Good job. Good job, Zach. It's alright. That's good, Papa.
I'm still hearing the fair, right?
Yeah, that's fine. Ayan si Holly. Naghahanap siya ng masisilungan. Ay, mama. Good job. Okay, close it now, Baba. Close it. Yan naman, tinabunan tayo si Kuya na eh. Tinuan daddy. Daddy, oh. Si John. Good job, Kuya. Good job.
Remember, must stay on the fairway. So keep it on the fairway.
Mag-hit pa silang another one. Ayan. He's getting it now, honey. Si Kuya. Wait, stop. Yan na yung pangalawa ni Kuya. Good job, Kuya. Good job, Kuya. Your next sack. Sack, go there, sack. Napaka-supportive ni Daddy talaga. Si Sack na.
Yeah, well done, Leo. You heavy, mate.
Probably get 2 shots, yeah.
Kunin niya naman yung phone. Kasi si Sack naman. Wow! Good shot, Saki. Good job. Very good, boys. Nagsasabi siya kay daddy niya, I'm very cold, daddy. Okay, linalagay niya dyan sa pocket niya. Good job, baba. Oh, ayaw. Dito ka na lang ulit sa ano ni mami. Kuha nila yung balls na hinit nila. Si kuya hindi niya mahanap yung sa kanya. Kasi napaka malayo. Yeah, kuya has the longest drive, I think.
My turn.
And you too, yes. Siya yung caddy ni Zach.
Always stand behind the ball, have a look.
Okay, thank you.
Hit your line in front of the ball. There's always something in front of your ball. And then you line up and hit it over that mark.
Oh, naka-stick daw ng daddy niya. Shh. Baby, quiet. Good job, kuya. Dito naman tayo sa next. Baba, quiet, Baba.
You lean, moving towards the flag. So you put a bit more pressure.
Sak, listen.
Okay? And then all we want to try and do is get the ball rolling up the slope. And we can tick it up. Get the ball rolling. Okay, so rather than trying to hit it high, get the ball rolling up the slope. And that means you get onto the green in one shot. Okay? When you get a bit older, we'll start playing shots, fancy ones. Okay, but at the moment, we just want to get the ball on the green, so we don't have two shots to get on the green, we only want one.
How far is it? Alright, you want them? You want to pick sock? Oh, that's gonna...
Up there, well done.
Good job, kuya.
Yeah, well done, that's good.
Oh, you keep it if you don't have to. We'll need it again. Let's see if there's one to come up.
You're done? You're done, Sak? You're done?
Where'd you go?
I didn't make it up.
Hindi natin nakunan si Sak. So you're done, Sak?
Take out.
Oh, Chona.
Everyone learns from each other here. So watch where the ball rolls. So stand where you think you can see where the ball rolls.
Good job, kuya. That's good. May opinion na naman ang daddy niya. Sabi na ang daddy niya, good land. Oh, good job. Yan na si Sak.
Oh, charge that a little bit strong. Okay.
No.
Yeah, I'll help you.
Okay, so we need to cut together.
No, I'll do it. I'll do that.
Okay, we're rolling. We're going to stop near the hole. A little bit strong. Oh, who's left?
It's alright, Sak.
Wow, watch it.
Okay. Wow. Good job. Ayan. Lakad ulit. Come on, Baba. Ha? Let's go. Balik yata doon kung saan sila nag-start. Kaming. Ayan, balik nga dito sa kung saan sila nag-start kanina. Inuubo na si Holly. Come on, Baba. Watch out, Baba. Watch out. Pwede na tayong sumama kasi hindi na umuulan. Diyan tayo kanina, di ba? Wow, Sak! Good job! Nice shot, Sak! Mapapag na taon. Nagalit si Sak, ah. Good job, Kuya. What's that, Sak? For me, it is. Opinion naman ang daddy niya. Kasi final shot ni Kuya. Dapat daw, nice shot lang daw. Stricter yan si Jan when it comes sa sport. Good job. That was good, Kuya. That was good. Move ulit tayo sa... Where are we going, Kuya? Long drive? Yeah. Okay, come on. Dito ulit tayo. Kung saan kanina, di ba? Dito sila nag-long drive. So, another one. Hindi na siya nilalamig kasi laro na siya ng laro. Takbo siya ng takbo kanina. Good shot, Sak. Good job, Kuya. Second shot niya. Good job, Sak. Good job daw. Oh, proud na po ang daddy. Ayan si Kuya. Good job. What's that sound? What did you say, Sak? Kuya has always have the long swing. What's wrong? Yeah, you did a good job. Yeah. Nagreklamo si Kuya niya daw laging hinihit na malayo. Siya daw hindi masyadong malayo. Sabi ng daddy niya, okay lang kasi maliit ka pa naman. Habang kinukuha ng mga bata yung bola nila doon, tingnan niyo ang daddy naman. Sige. Holly, are you gonna be a golfer?
Yes.
Okay. Go. Wow. Round. Street of baby pa lang naman yan, oy. That's too, that golf stick is very long, honey.
Yeah. Yeah.
Good job, Baba. Yan, dito naman tayo sa next. What? Yes.
Yeah, crack and serve.
Okay.
Or you can use that. It's up to you.
That's better, love. Good shot. Okay, let's go. Okay, let's go. Ito na daw yung last shot nila. Well done, kuya. Ayan yung isang grupo. Minsan si kuya napupunta daw dyan. Bye-bye ba talaga? So ngayon dito. Oh, almost, kuya.
How do you go up to Zach?
Oh! Yes! Good job, kuya. Good job. Opinion na naman ng daddy niya. Is this last? Kuya, is this the last shot, kuya? We're done? Yeah. Okay, we're done. Shake hands with all the... Ayan, tapos na. Ayan, tapos na yung group lesson. Si kuya meron siyang one-on-one lesson at 11. 11:30 or 11, Han? 11 o'clock. Anong oras na ba? Anong oras? Time is it, Baba? Anong oras? Hindi ko alam, mamaya na lang. Pero parang 10 pa lang yata. Ayun po. Sinisipon na tayo. Ah, hindi, ang aga pa. Wala, 9:20 pa lang. Punta ko dito ni Jan kasi may presentation daw. Si kuya yun nga, si kuya yung longest drive. Come here, Papa. So, ayan, tinatawag na sila. Eto, lahat na to yung kaninang isang group, tsaka yung grupo nila, Kuya TJ. Ayan na.
Elephant through.
Quiet, Papa.
Okay. Off the tee was fantastic. Lots of improvement there. And also, I think the putting has improved. We still need to work on it. Captain's forward, please. I think you know who you are.
Gary.
So we had TJ for K1. So we had Gary for K3. And then we had a tie. Can you believe it? A tie for the K2. So Hudson and Daniel come through. Well done.
Good job. Si Kuya pala sa K1 squad. May K2 squad. May K3 squad.
Would you like a token? Would you like a token? Congratulations. 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 I've already had a percent. Okay. How'd you hit it so far? Did you hit your drive well?
Yes.
Did it go further than last time we had long drive competition?
Yes.
Okay. What was your secret?
I don't know.
Listen.
Just hit it hard. Okay. Daniel and Hudson. Hats off. Shake hands. Thank you very much. Thank you. See you next week. Thank you.
Let's go. Congrats, Kuya.
No, I have to have my lesson.
Thank you.
Ah, yeah. You still have a lesson. Ayan, nag-hit muna silang balls. Kanina pa sila, pang ilang basket na nila yan. Pang-apat na yata yan. Kasi ang golf lesson ni Kuya is 11. Ano pa lang? Anong oras na? 10:07 pa lang. And then si Sak. Di ba kanina, nagre-reklamo si Sak na maliit na yung golf gloves niya. Ayan, may bago siya. Baba, show me your new one. Ayan yung bago niyang glove. Is it fit now? Nice? Nice? What Yuga?
I don't want laughing at all.
Yeah, the old one. Sa kanya na raw yung kay Sak. No, para Louie.
Corner.
CR.
Yeah, corner. Yeah, right.
Okay. Tinatanong ni Jan yung address kung saan yung party mamaya. And kasi punta kami ng birthday party ni Aliyah. And si Kuya kumuha ulit siya ng another basket na golf balls. Ayan. And then, ayan na si Jan.
Last time I said on.
Laro ulit siya. Where's Zachary, Han? In the car. Nasa car si Zach. Kuya, can you get me one nappy, please?
What is it?
It's in the car, please. Thank you.
Right.
Okay, wait, Holly, okay? Ayan, umuulan na sa labas and then sobrang lamig. Si Kuya, andun siya nagwa-one-on-one kasama si daddy niya. Kaming tatlo nandito sa car kasi sobrang lamig. And yeah, kawawa naman si Kuya. Lakas na ng ulan, guys. Ayan na si Kuya, ha?
It was in the rain for ages and they went to the shed.
Kasi sabi ko hindi siya basa. Kanina pala nandun siya sa sa ulan naglalaro and then lumipat sila sa shed kasi sobrang lakas na ng ulan. How's the lesson? Good.
Nearly got over 100.
Wow, good job, Kuya. That Kuya?
I nearly got it over 100. So close, 97.
That's alright. Well done. Proud of you. Not you. Isa ka nagkipag-up yan. Okay. Punta lang kami sa tapos na dito and punta kami sa Asian store.
Yeah, gripping the club down a bit too fast.
Diba sabi ko punta kayo ng Asian store, sabi dyan maligo na lang daw muna sila kasi naulanan yung mga bata kanina. So, punta muna kami kila Hunter, then ilagay na namin din yung mga gamit namin sa car para dire-diretso na kami. Kasi punta pa kami sa birthday party ni Aliyah, then uwi. So, yun. Change plan. Punta na lang daw kami ng Asian store. Kasi tinext ko sila kung anong address ng kung ano yung Asian store na malapit na pinuntahan namin malapit sa bahay niya. Sabi niya sa Catalina, pero mas maganda nga daw sa Parafield. So, punta kayo ng Parafield and then after sa Parafield, punta kami ng Filipino store malapit sa kapatid ni Jan. So, nag-change ulit kami ng plan, guys. Ganun talaga. Malulobat na ako. And tulog si Holly natin. Ang aga kasi namin nagising. Aga namin siyang ginising din. Kaya, ayan. Bagsak siya. Yung boys, maliligo kayo, ha? Are you tired, boys?
I'm a boy.
Boy? Are you girl?
No.
Are you tired, girl?
No.
Are you tired? No. Dito tayo sa Parafield Plaza. Ako lang, hindi ko na sinama yung mag-aama ko kasi parang hindi ko na sila intindihin. Saan bang entrance? Dito ba? Ayan, tapos na ako dito sa Parafield. Ayan yung mga nabili ko. May isang sako tayong bigas. Ayan. Dito na kami sa bahay ng kapatid ni Jan. Diba sabi ko sa inyo, i-room tour ko kayo dito sa kung saan kayo nag-stay. Kaso wag na lang muna kasi sobrang kalat na. Mag-i-impake na ako. And si Jan naliligo na. And pinaplansya ko yung damit ni Holly kasi diba, maya-maya pupunta tayo sa birthday ni Aliyah. And yeah, mag-get ready na rin ako. Tapusin ko lang tong pinaplansya ko. Yung boys nakaligo na sila and nakabihis na. So kami na lang and ako mag-impake. Ayan. Mamaya na lang ulit.